Hello, today we're going to install this outdoor router with this neat waterproof box outside my house. I'm going to populate these sockets with two boards. This one, which is a LoRaWAN gateway card, and that it is used for low power connectivity. And this one, which is a data modem for broadband. I am not going to use the SIM card or the broadband modem, but what I want here is the GPS location system that has time synchronization. When I put all this together, I'm going to go out here through this window and screw it to this mast. I have two antennas prepared here. This one, the black one, for the GPS reception. And that monopole is for the LoRaWAN. It is an 868 MHz antenna. I have the connectors here. I'm going to have to remove this tape before installing. And I have this Ethernet plug here that goes to this socket here. So from here I will be able to connect it to my network and provide with the energy using the PoE, Power over Ethernet system. Okay. One and two screws on. Okay, so you cannot see it here, but the antennas are two of them for broadband, mobile broadband. This is 4G or 5G. This is the main antenna, so this is for broadband. This is the GNSS antenna, which is GPS. So this one, I'm going to connect it to the bigger one. And this is an auxiliary antenna for broadband. So this connector goes to this pigtail and goes then here to the GPS plug. Okay, done. I have to remind myself, right, GPS. Okay, now LoRa. First screw. I have a bath cough. Okay, so now off with this lab antenna and on with the bigger pigtail. Okay, I think I am ready to connect everything. I think I will put the cover when the box is installed, so I can see the LEDs blinking with the device on. Just in case everything works, okay? So we will put the cover last. Okay, so the box is already in its place, and I'm going to peel off this tape using my trusty cutter. First one ready, I'm going to connect it to the broadband modem with the Type N connector, Ethernet. Okay. Now for the last connector, I have to peel it off again. Very well, now antennas are both connected. I have to put tape later, botanizing tape, and electricity is okay. So, as I said before, this cable goes here, then to the PoE injector, then there should be another cable going to my main network, which will be this Okay, and then this other cable goes to the rest of my network through the other socket. So I'm going to pick up this last cable and connect it to the line. When you use PoE injectors, you have to know very clearly that this connector gives power and this one doesn't give anything, just Ethernet. So Ethernet and Ethernet plus power. You'll know it because if you connect, as I did, the device to this socket, it will power on. Okay. If you connect it to the other one, it will not. So, a power device, Ethernet network. All that is left now is very quickly putting the cover and the self-fusing tape or vulcanizing tape. So for this part of the video I have already put the cover on, and you have to use the vulcanizing tape or the self-fusing tape. This tape becomes a blob when you leave it all wrapped around the cable. The only important thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to put it starting down and going up. This way the spiral will make the water go down without getting inside the cavities that you're going to leave. Okay, so just start down, you remove the plastic thing. Okay, this one is very sticky, which is a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to start here and wrap it around from bottom to top. Okay. Have to remove the plastic, this transparent plastic. Okay. And you see, it is becoming a blob. So the water will not be able to get inside this nice connector. Oh, I'm out of tape. No problem, I have another tape. It's there. Nice. If you press it, you will soon see that you cannot unwrap it. It is all sticky now. And we are all set. Okay, I was mistaken. I didn't have any more vulcanizing tape. I have insulating tape. So I put it here, and I don't think you can see it, but the difference is very apparent. This one is like bubble gum, and it's going to resist a lot, and this one is rather dry. Okay, no problem, since I will probably dismantle this next month for our classes. But, well, there you have it.